Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel European Fashion Hairstyles. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I'll show you brand new trendy haircuts, hairstyle and hair color ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle ideas, trends, then watch my video till the end. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. In this video I'm gonna show you bob haircut. Guys, this haircut will make you look cuter and brighter. Shoulder length bobs are so cute and convenient to wear. If you want to see more ideas, then watch my videos till the end. There are many type of bob haircut, guys, as you shown in the pictures. Layered bob with side bangs, round ankled bob and blunt bob. These haircuts are very easy to handle in summers. Short bob enhances your jaw and make you look smarter and elegant. You can carry them with different hair colors, dyes and streaks as you see in the pictures. The haircut is for people of every age. You can carry it with a ponytail, curls, bun and many different styles. Guys, this is very informative video for you, so please watch it till the end. And if you want to get this haircut, take a screenshot of the look which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this type of haircut from any parlor. After watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts, hair color and hairstyle which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts and hair colors. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. And the people who don't subscribe my channel, so guys, please subscribe my channel and show some love. I will continue making more informative videos for you. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos and share them with your family members.